Because I don't really know about this case, but I just heard from someone and I saw my Instagram's informations, yeah, on Instagrams. So about this, but I don't really want to put my comment on this, yeah. But I see is this is like one of the campaigns, social campaigns, how to support someone by using this way, yeah. But sometimes it's good, like campaign by using social media, but be focused, okay. Don't don't put our religion on the politics. Yeah, this is very dangerous because if you wanna see just religion, but never put a religion on the politics, it's gonna be dangerous because everything will be related to politics. You cannot deny it, but never connect it directly. Yeah, sometimes like this is good, this is bad, and you are right, you are not. Never related to the politics. It's not very dangerous. That's what I can comment. If you just straight to the ibadah or a pray or like focus on religion, just religions like that. Like if you want